Say no to bullying. Summer vacation had come to an end. So school had been started and everyone were excited to go to school. But Samir, he was so sad. Look at Samir. He didn't want to go to school. One important reason why he did not want to go to school was a haughty boy, unfriendly. Haughty means unfriendly boy called Raj. He bullied him. What is bullying? Teasing somebody using words or physically treating badly. So that is bullying. So this haughty boy Raj entered with his two friends. He mocked means teased, and called them by names. Oye Dumbo, get up from that place. The first window seat belongs to me. This boy Samir is sitting in his window near the window seat, first window seat. But Raj is asking him to get up from that place. And Samir silently got up from that place. When he was getting up, he just pulled his legs and made him fall and ran away laughing. This boy's eyes were filled with tears. Samir's eyes, he saw his belongings fall all around him. He was both angry and helpless. Just then, a boy helped him to get up from that place. He spoke soft words to him and he felt very good speaking to him. I am Samir from 4A and you, I am Giri. This Giri became a good friend of Samir and he asked him about that boy Raj. He said, he is a terror. No one dares to speak against him. Better stay away or ignore. But Giri was determined to do something. When Raj saw both of them together, he looked at them wickedly, cruelly. Then, when the lunch break came, the two boys moved towards the school garden. Oye Dumbo, give me your tiffin box. Seems like you have forgotten the rules, screamed Raj. But this time, this did not happen. What did he do? He tried to snatch Samir's box. When his hand was being pulled away, it was Giri. Giri stopped Raj. Stop calling him Dumbo and you cannot take his lunch box. If you want something from him, request him with a please. How dare you? So he is asking, if you want anything, you should ask, request somebody, not pull away from somebody. This boy says, I can beat you, get out of my way. But Giri stood firm and said, I am not afraid of you. I won't let you forcefully take his foot. So he is telling, I will inform to the class teacher. So Raj cowered seeing Giri's confidence. That is, Giri was very confident and seeing that he just shied away. He silently retreated. Samir was stunned. No one had dared to utter a word against Raj and Giri had achieved the impossible. So he says, thank you so much Giri, you saved me today. But Giri says, you have to stand up for yourself. Nobody will come to help you every day. This is bullying and I think everyone should speak up against it. So I told you in the online class also about bullying. Bullying is a very bad thing. If somebody is bullying you, you should tell to your parents, elders, anybody, and definitely you should inform and you will get a way out of it. You should not keep it to yourself. He promised Giri that he would raise his words against bullying. In the morning he was this pale and timid boy, but while going back home he was a boy with new found confidence. Okay, so you should all have the confidence to speak against You should learn to say no. Say no to bully. And be cheerful. Thank you. Please note, grumpily means angry mood, haughty, unfriendly, terror, a person that causes extreme fear. Wickedly is unpleasant or that is capable of causing harm. Wicked means causing harm. Coward is to lower your head or a body in fear. Without further ado means immediately. Timid, not having courage. Thank you.